Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Shark Clean Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum BU3523, a lightweight powerhouse designed to make cleaning effortless with its innovative auto-empty system. If you want a vacuum that empties itself and tackles pet hair with ease, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features a redesigned 1.3L auto-empty base that automatically charges and empties the vacuum after every clean, sealing away fine dust and debris so you never have to touch dirt again. It's 30% lighter than Shark Vertex Pro at just 11.24 pounds, with up to 40 minutes of runtime in eco mode. The PowerFins multi-surface brush roll provides continuous cleaning contact on all floors, while self-cleaning technology prevents hair wrap. HEPA filtration with anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, reducing dust exposure by up to 500x compared to traditional emptying. It converts to a handheld vacuum with an exclusive motorized hand tool for powerful pet hair pickup on upholstery and stairs. Real-world reviews praise its lightweight design and effortless maneuverability, with users noting it works perfectly on hard floors and picks up fine debris effectively. Pet owners love it for handling heavy shedding from huskies and other long-haired breeds. The auto-adjusting brush roll optimizes suction on different floor types automatically. Some users report battery life around 25 to 30 minutes on higher settings rather than the full 40 minutes. A few customers mention the dustbin filter gets very dirty quickly, and auto-empty bag replacement adds ongoing cost. The vacuum may lack suction power on thick carpets compared to premium models. If you want a lightweight, self-emptying cordless vacuum with excellent pet hair pickup and HEPA filtration, the Shark Clean Empty BU3523 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.